Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best blender for smoothie under $100 you can buy Amazon. A great blender can make or break a smoothie. If you are looking for the best blender for smoothie, this video will help you find one. If you are interested in buying a new blender, it is important to know what features to look for. After all, not all blenders are created equal. Some blenders are better suited to making soups or sauces, while others are more appropriate for blending up frozen drinks or crushing ice cubes into snow. Some of the most important factors to consider when purchasing a blender include power, blade type, jar size and materials used in the jar and base. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. It inspires me to make videos like this. Number 5. Hamilton. Stop thinking about what to eat and drink and start drinking what you think. Make your favorite shakes, smoothies, and more with the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. With a sleek, compact design and touch-free operation, this personal blender is perfect for healthy on-the-go lifestyles and busy schedules. Hamilton Beach Shakes and Smoothies with BPA-free professional blend is the perfect kitchen gadget for making delicious, nutritious shakes or smoothies. Our shakers are easy to assemble and clean, with a powerful motor and multiple settings to make the perfect consistency for your beverage. Number 4. Ninja. The Ninja Personal Blender is the ultimate kitchen appliance, with 700 watts of power and 2 blender cups. The base doubles as a food processor, making it the only appliance you'll need to create delicious meals for your entire family. Choose from 5 speeds and 3 pre-programmed settings to match any blending need, from silky smooth shakes to chunky salsa to ultra-smooth soup. Stay on track by cooking healthy meals in a flash. Blend ice for a frozen margarita in no time at all. This blender is a must-have for a happy and healthy life. Number 3. nutribullet. nutribullet is a great way to make nutritious and delicious drinks with ease. You can make a shake or a smoothie in seconds. And with features like the extractor blade and the spill-proof lid, it's safe and easy to use. With 2 personal cups and a 16 ounces capacity, nutribullet is perfect for you and your kids. The nutribullet Personal Blender is the one blender you'll ever need to make your favorite smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. It's powerful enough to crush any fruit or vegetable with ease. And because it's small enough to fit in your hand, there's no limit to where you can take it. Number 2. Ninja SS101. Making a healthy, delicious and nutritious snack is so simple and easy with the Ninja Foodie Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor. With its 6 functionality, it can effortlessly make smoothie bowls, nutrient extracts, and even spreads to ensure that you get the most out of your ingredients. It includes a patented extraction blade to make your smoothies more nutrient-rich by extracting up to 50% more liquid from your ingredients. It's perfect for busy working professionals who want to take care of themselves without sacrificing the convenience of fresh smoothies on the go. Number 1. Ninja BL610. You know that feeling when you find a product that does everything you need and more? The Ninja BL610 Professional 72 Oz Countertop Blender with 1000-watt base and total crushing technology for smoothies, ice, and frozen fruit. Full power, full performance. With a 1000-watt base, this blender provides the power to crush the toughest ingredients with ease. This powerful blender is perfect for making smoothies, shakes, desserts, soups, sauces and more. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks.